Quipall Hitch Mount 2 bike rack easily and safely transports your bicycles to wherever you want to ride. The rack requires a standard 1 1/4 inch or 2 inch hitch receiver. An adapter comes with the rack to accommodate the larger hitch. The bike rack is easy to use. Be sure the bike holders are facing up, then place the bike on the rack. Close the straps over the bike frame, securing them with the buckles. Pull down to tighten. When carrying one bike, place it closest to the vehicle. Add a second bike facing in the opposite direction, securing it in the same way. Check to be sure the bicycle frames are not rubbing against one another or the vehicle. To access your gear in the trunk, simply slip out the latch pin and lower the rack. When not in use, fold the rack arm down or remove the rack completely and store it away. The Quipall Hitch Mount 2 bike rack. Quality assured.